I just realized that I forgot my bucket. I have everything else here, but not the bucket. Oh, look, the bucket saved. So let's take the plates off. These are actually like the best plate magnets you can have. They are from Magna Plates. As you can see, there is no, like nothing here. So it's so much cleaner. You can just put the plates on the wall during the wash. Look, just comes off and nothing on the bumper. So now I'm gonna wash the car and make it clean again, because look, bird poop everywhere and wheels are kind of nasty and the rear is super dirty. So let's wash the car.